Regression analysis is a powerful statistical method that allows you to examine the relationships between two or more variables of interest. While there are many types of regression analysis, at their core, they all examine the influence of one or more independent variables on a dependent variable. The main uses of regression analysis are forecasting, time series modeling, and finding the cause and effect relationship between variables. I'm going to use the scatter plot chart to show you how you can use regression to carry out your forecasts. Now we've been provided with the month, the cost, and the revenue. We want to see what happens to the revenue when there's an increase or decrease in the cost. We'll also use the same regression to predict how much revenue from an X value of cost. So to get started, you need to insert a scatter plot chart. So you go to insert, recommended charts, then all charts, go to XY scatter, select the first one and click OK. You realize that what we are plotting here is the cost and the revenue. So you can now select this and make sure that you are plotting against the costs and the revenue. Then we remove this, we don't need that, so that we have now the scatter plot chart for the revenue and the costs. Once done, we now introduce a trend line. So click there, chart design, in add chart element, trend line, go to more trend line options. On the right here, you'll see it's already selected linear, which is predicting correctly, and I'm going to display equation on charts. Then bring this up so that my equation is visible. Now I can close there. Now this is my equation that I need for my prediction. So for example, if I wanted to know what would be the revenue if I increase the cost, say, to 50,000. So what I'll do is enter here the 50,000, which is my cost. Then I will use the equation. Now y is equals to 6.2716x plus 11,877. So I'll type by equal sign, open the bracket, then type 6.2716 times 10,000 times 50,000. Then I add the constant, which is 11,877. Then close the bracket and press enter. You realize that the cost for 50,000 is 32,457. If you substitute this with 10,000, for example, you'll see whether it's making sense. You realize that the revenue is 74,593, and that falls around what you can see here on my data set. Now, there are other methods of carrying out regression analysis where you can use the analysis toolpack. The analysis toolpack is an Excel add-in that you can activate. Does not come pre-activated, and you can see here that that's analysis toolpack. You can do that by going to File, then from Options, go to Add-ins. Under Add-ins, click Go, and make sure that you've ticked Analysis Toolpack. Then click OK. You'll see the data analysis add-in here. So click on it, and when you scroll down here, you'll see regression, where you can click OK and now input your ranges that you need. But you can select that and click OK to do your regression. Thanks for watching.